We'll be sound testing a 2008 VW GTI with the 2-liter turbocharged engine rated 200 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. This car is fitted with an aftermarket performance turbo back exhaust system with a high-flow catalytic converter. The exhaust system is made of stainless steel with mandrel bends and is based on reflective sound cancellation, or RSC, technology. The exhaust system has a single exit point at the rear of the car with twin tips. Testing will be in accordance to the National Stationary Exhaust Noise Test Procedure for in-service motor vehicles. Our current weather conditions are sunny skies. We have our test vehicle positioned here on a smooth, flat surface. There are no objects within 3 meters. Our sound meter, which is a Quest Electronics Model 2400, meets ANSI S1.4-1983 Type 2 and IEC 651-1979 Type 2 specifications. We will be verifying it before and after using a Quest Electronics QC10 calibrator. The meter is set to on with the scale A set to 70 to 140 dB range, fast response. It is positioned at the correct location, 500 millimeters from the tip at a 45-degree angle. The vertical position is at the same height of the exhaust exit, which is approximately 10 inches. Per the test procedure, sound level will be measured at 3/4 of ESMP, which is 6,000 RPM, so our test RPM will be 4,500 RPM.